Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will teach you how to make a simple and an elegant explosion box. This box can be made by any kind of age group, especially children can try this at home. So let's start with the procedure of making chocolate explosion box. We are here making 3-layered explosion box with a small box inside. For that, we need a black card sheet. For the first layer, I am taking my length and breadth as 16 cm and dividing the first layer into 3 rows and columns, marking 16 cm at every distance. So here you can see 3 different rows and columns are ready of 16 cm each. After making the first layer, we will cut all the corner squares. After completing the first layer, I am folding each square in the opposite direction so as to form a crease. This will help me to fold the box easily. Now I will make the lid of the explosion box, taking the dimension initially 3 cm, 17 cm and then again 3 cm. Giving the dimensions, you can see there are 4 small boxes. You have to cut one single side of each box as shown in the video. To fold the sides of the lid in the opposite direction so as to form a crease. Apply Fevicol on the side of the square which we have cut previously and paste it on the side beside it. As I have done for the first corner, you have to repeat this with the other remaining 3 corners. Here taking some chocolates to decorate my first layer. I'll attach all of these with the help of sellotape, or you can even use the stapler to do so. will make the second layer in the same way I have made the first layer. But here I will take the dimension as 14 cm. Second layer, you can paste different kinds of chocolates as per a wish. Here I am sticking some pictures. For the third layer, I am measuring the chocolate and then giving the dimensions to the layer. Only one chocolate. Assemble all the 3 layers and paste them with the help of the Fevicol. After making the third layer and assembling all the 3 layers, I will make a box of 8 cm. Box, I will follow the same process which I have used to make the lid of the box. Is ready. Now I will make a lid for this box of the dimension 3 cm, 8 cm and then again 3 cm. box and the lid of it is ready, I will assemble this box in the center. You can write a small message and attach it with a ribbon as shown in the video. Small bow in the center of the small box, and for the lid I'll be using this big red bow. If you want me to teach you how I have made this red bow, please feel free to write in the comment section. I will make a separate video. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. Have a nice day and do not forget to subscribe my channel.